Man, look at that. I'm not going to stay out here too long. Hello everyone, this is Rocket Jet Maycheck. How's it going? How's it going? So, that's what's happening. What do you think? Action guys, should I clean out the gutters next time? Margie TV! Shout out to Mark Daisy forevermore. Well, I don't want to stay out too long because Mom be like, don't go out there with the lightning and the thunder. But Lisa Basardi, this is what you like. This is right. Sam's hiding in the bathroom. Tweeting my love. See, that's how you can tell how hard it is, because the gutters are full and it's all coming off the side. But it wasn't raining this morning. If you watch my previous video, you'll see that it was okay. It's just hot out, that's all. Alright, let's go back in where it's safe. Mom don't want me getting struck by lightning. See, there's Sam. So she's hiding for the storm. She doesn't like the thunder or the lightning. So shout out to Row TV. Alright, let's shut the light out because I know she likes to be in the dark. She don't know I did that. Look at it out here. Oh, happy birthday. Well, somebody's got a birthday today, so happy birthday to you. So even back here, the gutters need to be cleaned out. Earlier today, I cut down back there in some stalks the mom wanted me to cut out, and I even filled up the bird bath. Well, I guess it's filling up more now. And we even filled up the hummingbird feeder all the way in the back. I don't know if you can see it, the red back there. So. I might have some of that in a little bit. My dad. No, I guess I never got a chance to do back there. Somebody was cooking on the grill. I can smell it. They probably went, oh crap! Smells good. Oh. Reminds me when we were in Florida and I used to say, a little harder, a little harder, a little harder, and then keep coming down more and more and more. Alright. They like this. Even Action Gal said that she loves the thunder and roiling and everything, and she'll sit there and count it. Loves the sound of it. Risa Basardi likes the sound of the rain and helps her go to sleep better. What do you think? Think I need to clean the gutters out when I get a chance? We got a waterfall going on. Sam's hiding in the bathroom.
Figured.
Yep. She's got her. I turned the light on. She had her head resting on the top of the garbage can. At least it got a little cooler out for him. So, yeah, here's some pictures. I can't really see there. That didn't help. Okay, I probably shouldn't do this because somebody might get mad at me. Oh, that's better. There's my brother-in-law. It's my sister. There's me. That's my dad. That's my oldest niece, her husband, my nephew Scotty, my mom, my youngest nephew, and my youngest niece. They're older now. So him and I don't get along. So, and there's Sam. Hey Sam. Okay. She's going back. She's camera shy. So, all right, I was gonna wait to do this, but I'll do it now. It's like Margie TV. Oh, Margie, you got a paper on your face. See, Margie TV. Then we'll go this way. I'm fixing it up. It needs to be touched up. Because, see, this is supposed to be black. And I want it to look like that. So, like, comment, subscribe, ring her bell, and share by Rocket Jeff Maycheck. So, but I'm going to work on that and then I'll send it to you later. So, now we'll go over here. And you got camera's not helping me. Sincerely am. Oh, maybe I should sit down for this. Sit down for this. Okay, I will. So, this is like, comment, subscribe, ring her bell, share by Rocket Jeff Maycheck. So, and I will send that to you also. At least the black came out right on yours. Yeah. Yeah. Now, in case you're wondering why I have this cardboard here, well, I'm going to draw a line right up along the side here, like this, and right this, and then there'll be another picture there, and we'll put another picture here. It's my captain of the BFFs. So I'm going to do a little design, and then I'll put another picture there. I don't know which picture I'm going to put, but I'm going to put a picture there. So, and then I'll do that with everybody. I'll do something a little special with everyone. So, and then mine, no. Hey, look at that. Lynn, Jeff, LDR. Love. It's my love. Tweenie my loves. And then this one, I just did this today. This little strip. So I'm going to finish touching this up. Oh, check this out. It's even more crazier than before. Look at that. Wow. Alright, well, if you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next upload. I'm going to finish working on Margie TV's picture, and I'm going to go to Angel Ray's cooking and vlog. I'm going to go hungry. You want to come hungry? Okay, let's go hungry. Bye. Psych, I'm not going there. Okay, you go up that way. I'll go this way. See you later. Miss Hart, Gaspar, Blue Hart, and Andy Fraser Show. Okay, bye-bye. Goodbye.